Just cleaned this side and hewn the whole side here, and I'm surprised it only took 30 minutes. Time for sanding. The last lock for round 6, and it took me around 3.5 hours. I'm amazed when I think of the first locks I did took between 1 and 2 days. Now 3.5 hours. I don't know what I should have done if I didn't have this trailer here. That helped me out quite a lot. And now downhill. Oh, that's a tight fit. Yeah, it's a tight and perfect fit. Look at this. And it's the same down there. And that completes round 6. First lock for round 7. Yeah. I need to move it about 2 feet that way, 60 centimeters. Yeah, maybe. That was halfway there. Won't pass onto that one. Let's see what happens. Oh. Yeah. Yeah. First lock on round 7. Finally. Yeah. Some people ask why I'm using a white chalk line instead of a red or a blue. And I don't know if it's visible. The white line is quite sharp, and all the excess dust is when I do the lines. I was planing this yesterday and it started raining. If I had done the lines like just before it starts raining and I have used a red or a blue line, the color from the chalk is much harder to get out of the wood. The white line don't show at all. That's why I'm using white chalk for my chalk line. Well, I'm about to make my center line down the end here, and then it's essential that the lock is in level, or else this won't be plumb. Boss lady's just inspected the seawall round 7 and it's approved, so I'm gonna load it on the trailer and get it around the back. Now the eternal, now it's not a problem, but the eternal task of moving the log further up, because I can't get further up with the trailer because of roots in the ground. But yeah, I've done it a few times now. I used my grinder to remove like the width of a pencil line at each end, and hope that's enough. Let's check. Ooh, that is close. Yeah. Just show you, that's a tight fit. Looking great. Yeah, don't know if you can see it, but there's a little bit left to fill out, and yeah, I'll leave that. Got two types of vinyl, a real skinny one and one that's a bit thicker, and I think I'll take a chunk of this, see if that's doing the trick. Yeah, I'm making the strips of vinyl here, same size as my plywood blocks, approximately, but yeah, it's somewhat there. Yep. Yeah, I think I'll stick it in between. Yeah. That's about right. I'll just give it a screw or two so it won't slide around if there's movement in the locks. Yeah. A plywood vinyl sandwich. I'm gonna put in a piece of the skinny one as well as the thick one, because I think it's not tight enough, and if I can't get it in like this, I'll shave off a tiny bit. Yep, see how it fits. Yeah, that's better. Just a light tap and it's in. Gonna draw a line and get this door opening cut out. It's a bit nerve-wracking to cut a hole, but I do need a door. I thought I better put up some supporting bolts here, so I won't make any stupid mishaps until I get that frame in the middle of the logs for the door frame. What a difference it makes. But first time going in, this is the inside, and I can't wait till later when I get the roof up and the floor in. And I'm going to cut out the window opening there and there and here somewhere. There's not going to be any openings in the back. Yeah, looking good. Now I need to make this plumb and square to the inside and cut out here all the way down so I can, this isn't but anyway, maybe I can find something in here. I found a cut short a bit. I'm gonna make a slot here where a piece of timber gonna fit is being what do you call that, slot in or fit in or whatever, and outside here, not skinny board like this, but like this, 1.5 2 inches thick. It's going to be a board, and the door frame is going to be attached to this, and this piece of timber I'm going to put in here. It's going to have some space at the top, and it's going to be mounted in the bottom lock or the sill lock, and then it's going to be floating because the logs are going to settle. All this, the next 2-3 years they're going to shrink, and I don't want to squeeze my door. But anyway, It's not all straight, but that's okay. I got a grinder, and that's an easy fix. Now with the door, or at least the opening.